We're going to do a throwback. This is the part where you, in the beginning.
In the beginning.
In the beginning.
Hello guys. I was literally just listening to a podcast and forgot that I was going to start a video. I'm starting another vlog. Makeup fest. Welcome to a new monthly vlog. I was just about to start doing my makeup and I thought, speaking of the podcast I was actually listening to, I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but the Meet Us After 7 podcast is one of the podcasts that I listen to. I'm so sorry, I feel like I'm losing my voice. And obviously I'm in the new boudoir and I don't have a kettle. I'm only here because while it's empty, I'm using it to create content. But I don't have a kettle. I have tea bags and I have coffee, but I don't have a kettle so I can have hot water to actually like make something with it. But yeah, I think I might be losing my voice. But anyway, Esinam is on her way over because we're going to take some photos. There's a bee. Don't come in here. I might have to catch up with you guys afterwards then because she's here and I have no makeup on. Oh my god.
Hey girl, I think I'm in the car park. I think. Is it called?
Yeah. And then if you drive all the way through, hold on, I think I can go concierge now then and get you a... Have you guys seen Esinam? Yes, you have. Jamming in the Jag, you guys have seen Essie.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have to talk to you guys after because Essie's here.
Hey. And my hands are dry, don't judge me.
So mine. Oh my god, no, I can't even show that. But yeah, so we're gonna shoot some content basically. Like I said, there's absolutely nothing. There's nothing in the house. I've got water. That's about it. Do you know what?
Cutlery now.
Yeah. Esinam's bought me cutlery. Actually, let me show you guys the fridge.
Oh, this one's me.
Yeah, I was saying I'm not gonna do a house tour.
No, tonight. I feel like it just lets people into your face too much.
There was that blogger I was watching. Well, I'm gonna block her name out.
Oh, sorry, is it loud? Oh, you live? Oh, sorry, yeah.
No, I'm gonna block it out.
You can tell where she
lives. You can tell where she lives,
Yeah.
exactly.
The TikTok, they vlog their front door.
It's
they
too
vlog their
much.
Car park. They vlog driving out of the block.
It's too much. So this is my fridge, guys. Like I have water. I have oat milk. Priorities and fruit.
So I wanted to take a picture like that.
This is cute. I love the colours.
Thank you. And then
I love the colours.
because I want to do a bit more colour vibe.
Yeah. Let me get you a handle, babe.
I'll make it with this top from Zara. Go good with a skirt or something, no?
Yeah.
But I don't have any skirts.
Do you know what? I see the flare jeans thing.
Why? Because of the poof. I got them. Got these from Pretty Little Thing.
I like them. Oh my god, show the vlog. I like them.
Yeah, these are cute.
I need the link to that.
They're cute. I got them ages ago. Is it not editing well?
I think you're not editing them.
No, excuse me.
I was saying to Essie that I'm like really proper not in the mood. And she was the one that was like, oh, we should set a date and do some content.
Yeah.
And we've done that today. And I feel better.
Yeah.
Like I'm in the mood.
Because sometimes there's just no time. You have to just come and be doing what you have to do.
I have a special guest so you can actually see her. Look who's in the vlog. It's Tanaka Travel.
Hey guys, I'm so honoured to be here. You know what, when I first discovered Michelle,
Oh my god.
We're going to do a throwback. This is the part where you, in the beginning.
in the beginning,
In the beginning.
she deserves her flowers. Like, she's honestly amazing. The photography, the fashion, the travel.
Did I say the fashion? She gives you luxury. Then she gives you small budget in case your your budget is not working. She does it all. So no, honestly, I'm so honoured to have met her and we're
You're actually gonna make me
creating.
cry. I actually love her. Like the vibe today has been 10 out of 10.
It's like we've known each other for years.
Honestly, 10 out of 10. You might see Tanaka in another vlog.
Might. I am. And I'm even inviting myself, so
I'm more you're invited. Anytime. Gym done for the day. I don't think I've showed you guys my mom's new car. This is her new baby. It is so nice and it has a sunroof. And I got her cream leather interior. One of my favorite things about this. Just down and easy. But yeah, we got cream leather interior, which to be fair, I don't know what I was thinking. So yeah, I just finished up in the gym. Hold on, I should probably take this off. I'm gonna go to Home Sense because I've been on a mirror hunt. So I've been looking for a mirror, a full length mirror that I can put in the apartment and that I can also use for obviously like outfit shots. That's the main thing. I'm not even gonna lie to you, that's the main thing I've been looking for. I was in Home Sense about 3 days ago, yeah, on a Wednesday, and I saw this mirror and it looked like it would be perfect, but I was and ahhing, so I've said today I'm gonna go. If the mirror is still there, I'm gonna purchase the mirror. If the mirror is not there anymore, I'm gonna keep on hunting. I think my reluctance for purchasing the mirror is how am I gonna get to the house, because this is the Home Sense near our family house. My house is about like away. I just need them to package it well so that the mirror doesn't break in between transportation. Yeah, that was like my main like, ooh, should I get the mirror or not? I can't tell you, for the longest time ever, I have wanted a car with a sunroof, so this was the selling point for me. This was the selling point for me. I was like, can we get a sunroof? They said yeah. I said let's have it. I look so crusty. So, and I banged my lip, so it's like scabbing. Anyway, this is not what you guys came for. Let's head off to Home Sense. Okay guys, moment of truth. If it's, all these baskets are nice. If the mirror is still here. It is. Oh yeah, guys, this is the mirror that I want to get. If you're moving, if you're into bags, you know what, just keep one of these in your bag. It will help you a lot. There's also this mirror here, which I like, but I don't know. I'm gonna measure everything. So this is 76 and this one is a bit longer. This one is 78. It's only about like 2 inches, and to be fair, it's actually less than that because the frame here is bigger. By frame I mean like this area. Hey guys, I'm just going to interrupt this bit of the vlog. The next clips you're going to see are of me going to Liverpool. I basically went there for work and I stayed at the DoubleTree Hilton. This is just a tip if you love to travel. Sign up to hotel rewards, because I used to always use Expedia and Booking.com, and although they're really great, but like the Hilton and the Marriott especially, sign up because they are big hotel chains, especially the Marriott. You know, they have St. Regis, so many other hotels. So it's better when you book those particular hotels to book directly, because then you can get the points and get discounts on like the really nice resorts like the St. Regis in the Maldives. That is my goal. I want enough Marriott points to stay there for at least 1 night, all on points. But anyway, yeah, so that's what you're gonna see soon. And I think I gave you a little tour of the room. Insert room tour. Room, but I will say Hilton hotels, they're a bit outdated. They definitely need to do some updating. Also, I had a massage and the lady, this was so cheeky. So my massage was meant to be 55 minutes, so I got there at 3:30. Obviously I had to go through all the checks, signing, you know, contract, but no, not contract, but you know, waiver and all that stuff, then getting dressed. So by the time I got to her, it was about 10 to 4. Why did my massage end at 4:30 when it was meant to be 55 minutes? To be fair, I did say something to the lady at reception. I think she was the manager, and she did offer me to come back for another treatment, but because I was there for work, I was only there for 1 night. But yeah, that was very cheeky, very cheeky. There is a spa there as well. It's a very basic spa. I would say go there for the massage because it was a good massage. Not the best I've ever had, but because I was just there for 1 day and it was for work, it was good for what I needed. But I definitely wouldn't go there as for like a spa day. I would only go there if I was staying at the hotel and I just wanted a quick massage. Speaking of spas, my husband actually also gifted me a full spa day at the Alexandra House Utopia and Spa. I've actually had that voucher for over 2 years now, but because of, you know, that thing that people have that we can't really say the name here on YouTube, or else they just don't show your videos to anyone, and they already don't hardly show my videos to my subscribers, so I'm trying to keep the little bit that I got. It's so gorgeous. I didn't vlog because that day I just said to myself, I'm just gonna relax. I was though taking clips to make a reel, but not to include in this vlog. That's my version of relaxation, just doing one social media job rather than all of them. But I have actually booked myself and my husband for a day there, so I'm definitely going to try to actually vlog for the vlog vlog there, but that was so good. That afternoon tea was a bit subpar. Not even subpar, it was like 5 out of 10. Actually 4 out of 10, I was just trying to be nice. But I'm an afternoon tea snob because I love good afternoon tea, and I have had a lot of good afternoon teas, so I'm a bit spoilt. Nevertheless, the massage, the masseuse I had, oh my god. If you want to go there, get the cupping. I think it's the cupping massage. It will do wonders for your back, trust me. And I also got chillax. I actually got these done. I am due for another mani-pedi, which is why I've rebooked, because they took them off very, very gently. They managed to preserve my natural nails, because what I've realized is now that I've started getting shellac on a regular basis, when I go to like just the nail bars in town, they use the electric tools, and those tools are actually not good for your natural nails. Whereas when I was at Alexandria Utopia Spa, she actually just used like gentle acetone and she wrapped them in a foil rather than dipping them. It was a lot more calmer and relaxing feel, and my nails feel so much better. So yeah, I think I might stick to there. Plus I only get them done like once a month. Every other day I organize.
Thank you all for coming to this very special screening, this very special screen event of The Woman King. Founder and CEO of the MOBO Group. I'm not in the film. Although I am a warrior and a woman named King, but not the woman King you come to see.
Enough about the story. I'd heard some things here and there as a child, but was, of course, as we all know, was not educated on them at school. And when I read the script, it was an education for me. It landed in my soul very quickly, and it felt like something I needed to do. And I was just really grateful to be an adult in a time when this film, or a film like this, is being made. It was a very, very easy decision to make.
The annoying thing about this camera, it crops, which is so annoying. Sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder. Hello, my beautiful hands. Firstly, I'm going to apologize if this vlog is very sort of all over the place and higgy haga. Summer this year has just been such a whirlwind, and I have been operating in a state of organized chaos. Things are getting done, but some things might fall through the cracks. They'll eventually get done, but maybe not all at once. Yeah, just so much has been going on. If you've watched my Madrid birthday vlog, you would know that I got a promotion, alhamdulillah. I have to say it again and again because it's a crucial reason as to why my summer has been a bit of a whirlwind. I'm in a higher position, which is a lot more responsibility and takes up a lot more time. So I have to rejig my schedule when it comes to content creating. I do think now for Q4, I have a good schedule, and it's gonna set me up quite well for the beginning of 2023. I can't believe we're gonna be in 2023. Wow, where has 2022 gone? But yeah, I just apologize if this vlog has just been a bit all over the place. I wanted to come and just end it on a light note. I did say that I want to make sure all my vlogs have an element of fashion, and once again I realized this vlog, I'm literally editing it now, like my laptop is right here, and I was like, there's not really any element of fashion apart from the day where me and Tanaka went out together, but that was more like content creation. So my injection of fashion for you guys is here. It's actually one of my birthday gifts, and it is from my favorite brand, Saint Laurent. I saw these in the Bicester Village. and I really, really love them. And for the longest time, I was thinking, do I want them? I don't. I'm going to do a full Saint Laurent haul because I have a few items from Saint Laurent, and I think it would be good to just do a collective haul. But I'm going to show you one of the shoes because they're both wrapped up. One shoe looks exactly the same as the other shoe. They look like this. They are in this mustard colored yellow. They're just gorgeous. So like, look on my skin. Oh, 10 out of. Does anyone have that Febreze thing? I basically have it there, and sometimes I forget it's there. So when it sprays, I'm like, what is that? Absolutely love those heels. What else has been going on? I went to the Teyana Taylor show. She's such an amazing performer. Side note, artists, Let's have a conversation. Artists, A&Rs, tour managers, I am begging you, can you guys stop using the O2 Brixton? Because that venue is horrid. The sound at that venue is just so bad. Even at the Teyana Taylor concert, when I was looking back at the clips I had, the sound was horrible, and you could see in a few clips she was like tapping on her earpiece and signaling to her DJ because I think she couldn't hear herself. And there's even one point where she just ripped the earpiece out. Does that venue have like a discount code? Is there like an affiliate link? Because I'm not understanding why all the artists use it. Can we go back to the Hammersmith Apollo? I think now it's called the Everton Apollo. I remember a few years ago, a lot of like artists, when they came, they didn't want to do the big venues, they would do the Everton Apollo. I've seen Burna Boy there, I've seen J. Cole there, who else? I've seen so many people there, and it's actually such a good venue. Then all of a sudden, in the past year or so, every other show is in the O2 Brixton, and I'm actually going to the Rimmer show, and that is also in the O2 Brixton. Not only do we have to go through the trials and tribulations of getting to South London, no disrespect to my people that live in South, I really love you guys, hearts and all of that stuff, but we go through all the trials and tribulations to get to South. But we go through all, I think I'm starting to have a list, and I don't know how to feel about it. But anyway, yeah, you go through all of that to get to South, to then be met with a subpar venue and horrid sound. That is very cheeky. So yeah, can we please not? Oh, I've been to a lot of weddings, a lot of weddings. One of my cousins got married, another cousin got married. Oh, my mother's outfit at my second cousin's wedding, 10 out of 10. I posted it on my Instagram and everyone was like, she looks amazing. And she recently bought this like new gold cuff. My mother's jewelry collection, absolutely elite. But that was lovely. My cousin looks amazing as well. There's also been a lot of other few things like family events and things like that. From September now, I'm definitely on my vlogging game. And I also have a new vlogging camera, which I'm actually using right now. One of the reasons why I bought it is because I said I'm going to give you guys one vlog a month, and I'm going to stick to that. So I got this Sony ZV-1, and so far I'm really liking it. Really liking it. It is such an amazing camera. I got it just before I went to Mykonos, and it just made vlogging so much easier. So the next vlog you guys are going to see, which I've already started vlogging for, so much content, and it's so compact, and it's less invasive. It's even smaller than my phone. Obviously it has this like little fuzzy thing at the top, but I do really hope that you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I really like my makeup. But yeah, I do really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comment section below if you're enjoying my vlogs, and please, if you are, give it a thumbs up. This year I'm definitely, I said it before, I'm really trying to work on my views. I'm not even worried about subscriber count, like it's just the views. I just want to be averaging at least 1K view a video, because right now an outsider looking in who maybe hasn't been following me for ages will think I like bought my followers, which I haven't. I've had my YouTube channel since 2011, and if you go back you can see I used to get very good views, but the past few years have just been like, actually something that a friend who also does YouTube, the Mo Chunk Show, mentioned to me is that if you've had your channel for a long period of time, the notification button has actually changed. If you had your notifications turned on for me before, then just double check again that they're still on, so that I come up on your subscription feed. Yeah, that would really help my channel, and then it would also help you guys, because it means that you'd be able to see my content. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, I think you might like this vlog right here, or possibly this vlog right here. Click on either of those and let me continue to entertain you. I hope you have a good morning, evening, afternoon, or night. As you can see, I'm in my nightgown. I am about to wipe all of this off and get to bed. I'll see you guys in my next video or vlog. Bye.